Hey guys, so I just wanted to keep you updated with what I've been up to in DeFi. And if you have been following me on Twitter, you can see here I posted yesterday on the 29th of August. I said that the risk reward of holding Cake isn't looking too favorable at that moment, and so I've closed out my position. So take a look at when I made that post. Okay, so roughly at this point over here. And right now, thankfully, you can see I've gotten out of my position and the market price has fallen about $2, okay, from about 25.50 or 25.30 all the way to 23.60. And so I wanted to make this video to let you know why I made that decision. Okay, so just very briefly, we can see, first of all, the market has been moving in a very, very predictable uptrend, right? Something like this. Okay, I don't want to be too precise about this, but just an approximation will do. And as you can see here, the market previously was moving quite steadily up, okay, and then it made quite a strong push to the upside, followed by quite a strong rejection down here. But then shortly after, the trend continued to move up. But the problem you can see at the top over here, okay, the market first made a high and then it had quite a strong pullback, followed by the next higher high. But you can see the distance between this top high over here and this high over here is very small. So just quickly to show you how small that is. Okay, this move is approximately, oh, this is the wrong indicator. Sorry about that. Let me get the right one. Right. So actually, let me just do a rough approximation here. Let's start from here. Okay, you can see here this the move from this high to this high is about a 9.6%. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. From this high to this high, this is about 4.6%. Let's keep doing over the next few highs. So this was obviously a very strong move. So this was a 10% move. The next high here, just 3%. Okay, but you can see this is quite a strong push to the upside over here. All right, this move is quite large. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. 6%. All right, now let's take a look at this most latest high over here, right? This is just 2%. So compared to previously when you had 9%, 4.6, 10%, this was a bit low as well. But I don't really want to go into too much detail because if I do that, then we're gonna be talking for maybe an hour or two or longer. Okay, so I just wanted to just give you a rough idea of why I decided to get out of my Cake position, even though I was happily earning passive income with my Cake tokens, right? So here I noticed that the market price just moved just 2.3% above the previous high here, made a pullback, and let's take a look at what happened next over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, take a look at this most latest high. This push up here did not break above this high. Okay, and if you recall from my previous video, if you didn't see the previous video, just go back to my channel and take a look at the playlist. You will find the previous DeFi video. Okay, you can see, you can probably notice that I mentioned that I do not expect this trend to continue moving for too much longer, all right? Because it's looking very predictable, and usually the market doesn't move in a predictable manner for long. Okay, so as I saw the market price unable to break above this high over here, and it continued to move down slightly, that was when I decided to pull the plug and exit my positions over here at this candle. Okay, if you want to be more accurate about that, let's zoom in. Okay, so this was the particular candle here where I made this post and I closed out my Cake position. And as you can see, shortly after the market price began to fall, and it even broke below this trend line over here. Okay, so I don't want to be I don't want to go into too much detail about the technicals here, but just to keep you updated with what I've been up to. So right now I am, let me just get rid of all of these. Okay, so right now I am in no Cake position. Depending on how this 4-hour candle closes, I might take a nibble, okay, because you can see here the market price is approaching this support area here. Let me just quickly mark that out. Okay, So we see the market price approaching this support area. Okay, and depending on how the market price reacts to this area, I might just enter a little bit of my cake position. Okay, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if I take any actions. If you have not yet followed me on Twitter, please do so. You can find my tag here. This is my username at Digital Slowmad. So this is where you can find me and where you can follow me. And I'll keep some of my updates on Twitter, and I will save a little bit more of the more meaty topics in my YouTube videos. All right, so this is just to let you know what I've been up to. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and take care. I'll see you in the next one.